Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to be doing our U96 build. So we are going to be doing issue 16 of build the U96. Now today we are working on bunks and deck, so should be interesting. Not so many fiddly parts today, which is great, but some nice big chunky parts as well, and I'll reveal more when we get over to the build desk. But yeah, looking really nice. We have a little bit of detail to put on to what we did last time, but yeah, I can't wait to get started in this one. Gonna need a lot of glue though, because yeah, majority of this is glued down. Anyway, enough of me rabbiting on. Let's get started today. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay guys, so bunks and deck is in issue 16. So let's get started. Right, we're going to need this that we did previously. And we're going to need this detail here. It's like a valve opening. And what we need to do is we need to fit this in place just on to this detail just down here. So let's do that. So we are going to need glue. Okay, I've got some glue out. Okay, so I'm going to put some in the hole just because it's easier for me to do that. And then I mean, we would have thought that we would have put this on before we put the detail in place, but okay. So hopefully I won't have any problems fitting this. Yeah, this is not going to be easy. Kind of tucked in. Like I said, it would have been easier to put this wheel on first than the detail. Got it this time. Right. Okay, so that has gone into place. Right. Okay, so done with that now. Next, what we need to do is we need to bring this bit across here. This is the rear bulkhead. And we need to put this detail in place. And this is going to be going on. It's going to go on like that into the two holes that are just there. Okay, so that's in place. Right, just moving that aside for one sec. We're going to need this piece here. Now this piece has got two bottom bits here. That's how we're going to know the difference from this piece here. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting some of the bunks in. So here are our bunks. I'm just going to test the fit on these just to see how they fit. They fit alright, but we're definitely going to need to put some glue on them. So I'm just seeing which side. Let's just put them on this side. So let's just try that again. Just see how the fit is. Yeah, definitely going to need some glue. It needs to be this flatter side that we're putting these on. Okay, that's one in place. Now I've just got the other two to do. Okay, so all three of them are in place. So we're going to do the same, but on this piece here. And again, we're putting them on the flatter side of this. So I wasn't joking when I said we're going to need glue today. Some builds require a lot of glue, some builds don't. Just depends on the build. Okay, last one to go in. When it fits on, you just gotta line it up and then it'll go in. Okay, so that is now done. Right, so next what we need to do, we need to bring this piece back across, and we need the bunks that we did first of all. And if we turn it around this way, we've got two tabs there. Now these two tabs are going to fit in to our bottom bit here, but we are going to need to glue them in. So I'm just going to sort of run kind of a bead of glue just on the inside here. Okay, so they are in place. And then we need to do the same with the bottom ones. Okay. Okay, so they are both in place. So next what we need to do is we need to bring across our deck. And we've got this detail here. And this is just going to be fitting in to just down here. Again, we are gluing this in. Yeah, that's quite loose in there. I just put a dab of glue just on the back, just to make sure that that doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so now what we need to do is we're going to be fitting this onto here. Now we've got two slots just into there where this is going to fit into. going to go more or less like that. Now, instead of gluing it, I think I might just run some glue on the bottom, and that should secure it in place. So I'm just going to use the brush for this, just because it is quite a large area. Just putting a small amount of glue on there. Okay, and that's in place. And that is completed work. So, wow. Just in that issue, we've created quite a lot of the detail. We've got quite a lot of the detail in this. So, yeah, looking amazing. So that is issue 16 complete. Well guys, that's it for the U96 for this week. Thank you for tuning in. A lot of progress there, to be honest with you. Really satisfying couple of issues that. I know I'm only on issue 16, I think it is. But I do have, I think, about another 4 in the drawer ready to do. So, yeah, can't wait to get into the new room and I can do some catching up and get caught up on a few of these. But, yeah, looking really, really nice. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.